Understanding the Plan Do Check Act Cycle, a simple guide. The Plan Do Check Act Cycle is a tool to help you improve things, whether it's a school project, a daily routine, or any other activity. It's easy to use and can help you make changes step by step. Let's break down the PDCA cycle into simple steps and look at some certifications that teach his method. What is the PDCA cycle? The PDCA cycle is a method for making improvements. It involves 4 basic steps. 1. Plan, decide what needs to be improved and plan. 2. Do, try out the plan on a small scale. 3. Check, see if the plan worked as you hoped. 4. Act, make changes based on what you've learned and use what works. Step 1. Plan. The first step is to plan. Identify the problem, figure out what needs to be better. For example, you want to get better grades or organize your room. Set goals, decide what success looks like. For instance, aim to raise your math grade by 10%. Develop a plan, write down how you'll reach your goal. Include the steps you need to take, what you'll need, and who can help. Step 2. Do. Next, it's time to put your plan into action. Implement the plan, start using your plan on a small scale first. If you're changing your study habits, try the new method with just one subject. Monitor progress, keep track of how things are going. See if the new method is helping you achieve your goals. Step 3. Check. After trying out your plan, check how it worked. Review the outcomes, compare what happened with what you wanted to achieve. Did your new study method improve your grades? Analyze data, look at what worked and what didn't. Use this to understand what needs to be changed. Step 4. Act. Based on what you find, take the next steps. Adjust, if the plan worked, make it a regular part of your routine. If it didn't work, adjust the plan based on what you learned. Standardize successful changes, apply successful changes more broadly. For example, if a new study method improved your grades, use it for all your subjects. Document your findings, keep a record of what you learned for future reference. Certifications and lesson plans. If you want to learn more about the PDCA cycle, certifications provided by the Management and Strategy Institute teach this method in detail. Here are some levels you might encounter while running through their website. 1. White Belt Certification, this is for beginners. It introduces basic concepts like PDCA and helps you understand how to start making improvements. A lesson plan, basics of PDCA, finding problems, setting goals, and simple steps to try out changes. 2. Yellow Belt Certification, this level goes deeper into PDCA. It teaches you how to manage more complex issues and use data to see if changes are working. A lesson plan, more about PDCA, how to collect and analyze data, and solving problems. 3. Green Belt Certification, this is for managing small to medium projects. It covers detailed PDCA training and helps you apply it in different situations. A lesson plan, advanced PDCA techniques, project management basics, and analyzing changes. For Black Belt Certification, this advanced level is for leading big projects. It includes expert PDCA strategies and managing teams. A lesson plan, expert PDCA methods, leadership skills, and advanced data analysis. 5. Project Management Certification, this covers project management and how to use PDCA in managing projects. A lesson plan, planning, executing, and monitoring projects using PDCA and other tools. 6. Supply Chain Management Certification, this focuses on improving processes in supply chain management using PDCA. A lesson plan, applying PDCA to supply chain issues, improving coordination, and handling challenges. Why use the PDCA cycle? The PDCA cycle is helpful because continuous improvement, it helps you keep getting better. Flexibility, it works for many types of problems. Data-driven decisions, it uses facts to guide decisions. Risk management, testing changes on a small scale helps avoid big mistakes. Example of using PDCA. Let's say you want to improve your study habits. 1. Plan, notice you get distracted easily. Set a goal to reduce distractions by organizing your study area and creating a study schedule. 2. Do, try the new setup and schedule. See if they help you stay focused and get your homework done more efficiently. 3. Check, after a few weeks, check if you're more productive. Compare this with your goal. For fact, if the changes worked, keep them as part of your routine. If not, adjust your setup or schedule based on what you learned and try again. The PDCA cycle is an effortless way to make improvements and solve problems. By following these steps, you can make changes effectively and keep improving. Whether you're working on a school project or changing habits, the PDCA cycle and its certifications can help you achieve your goals and enhance your skills.